Alright, today we're going to be learning about the Boolean variables. Now, before we go any further, let's talk a bit about true and false. You may have noticed that when you type them in the code editor with the uppercase T and F, they appear in a different color than variables or strings. This is because the true and false are their own special type, the bool. True and false are the only bool types, and any variable that is assigned one of these is called a Boolean variable. Boolean variables can be created in several ways. The easiest way is to simply just type in true or false to a variable. So set to true equals true, set to false equals false. And you can also set a variable equal to a Boolean expression. So for example, if we do Boolean 1, Boolean 2, Boolean 3, and you can set these equal to a Boolean expression. Now these variables can now contain Boolean values. So when you reference them, they will only return true or false values of the expression they were assigned. So this would print true, this would print false, this would print true. All right, let's go ahead and create a variable called myBabyBool. All right, funny name for a variable, and set it equal to the string true. Okay. Check the type using type. Okay. So we'll do type. And then we wanna, so yeah, if you wanna check the type of whatever variable you're using, you can simply just do that. Now it prints out class string, right? So now it's not a Boolean variable. Boolean variables, true and false, need to be capitalized and do not have quotation marks. So create myBabyBool2, set it equal to true. Okay. Equals true. Now check the type, make sure, okay, so the print type. And there we go, the second one is going to be bool, right? So yeah, all this is teaching you is, you can set expressions to be Boolean expressions if you simply, if they simply calculate out to be true or false. That's all this is talking about, all this is referring about, pretty straightforward. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. And then also, if some of you guys are looking for a full guide on how to get started into tech or break into tech, or try to find jobs and internships into tech, top link in the description is a free guide I made for you. Hope you enjoy and have a fantastic day.